guys, how's it going? This is Pedro with Auto Bliss, and today we're going to be reviewing the new 2020 Toyota Camry XSE. This Toyota Camry is equipped with a black roof and red leather interior package, as well as the windshield white. Without further ado, let's head on inside. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the new Toyota Camry key. You can see Toyota's done an amazing job in terms of design and functionality. You've got yourself an alarm system, as well as your trunk activation. You've got your lock and unlock buttons here as well. With this key, you also get comfort access as well as push start. Without further ado, let's go head on inside. Taking a look at this beautiful, gorgeous Camry, Toyota's equipped it with a 3.5 liter V6 engine. There is a 4-cylinder option, but this V6 specifically has 301 horsepower, as well as 267 pound-feet of torque. It's also equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which is awesome because a lot of people aren't really a huge fan of the CVT transmissions. It's also got a front-wheel drive, and we also have an all-wheel drive option for the new 2020. Taking a look at the back end of the Camry, Toyota's done an amazing job in terms of the LED turn signals, as well as LED taillights. You can see that they look very, very attractive, very distinctive. As you can see, the trunk opens all the way up. You've got yourself some massive space here. Taking a look at warranty options for your Camry XSE, you're looking at a 3-year comprehensive 60,000 kilometer warranty, as well as a powertrain warranty of 100,000 or 5 years, whichever comes first. You also have a corrosion perforation warranty as well, which goes up to 5 years. You've got these beautiful LED turn signals, as well as LED daytime running lights and LED projectors. Taking a look at the mirrors, you also got nice LED turn signals, as well as blind spot monitoring and heated mirrors. One of the nice features with the XSE is comfort access. All you have to do really is just reach over with your hand and it unlocks the vehicle. You can also lock it by pressing these 2 strips right there, and it locks your vehicle. Taking a look inside of the Camry, honestly, all I can say is I can feel it's very premium. Toyota's done a great job in terms of build quality and just overall feel. Even the door just feels very, very sturdy, very, very well built. Toyota's done a great job in terms of, soft touch materials all over the vehicle, all over the main dash. You've got this nice leather wrap steering wheel. It's also heated, which is great for winter. You've got a nice 5-inch display up front, as well as a 7-inch display here in the center console. Taking a look at your steering wheel, you have all your cruise control options here, as well as your pre-collision sensors, your lane assist activation, and you can switch your songs here, as well as radio modes. Moving over to this side, you have your volume rocker, Amazon Alexa activation, as well as navigation bars here, and Bluetooth controls. Taking a look at the center console here, Toyota's integrated as well as heated and cooling seats for 2020. You've got your parking brake, brake hold, eco, normal, and sport mode as well. You've got your traditional shifter knob here, as well as sport with paddle shifters. You've got nice wireless charging here, as well as extra storage compartment. All in all, Toyota's done an amazing job with this interior. Very, very attractive, very modern. It's just a timeless design. Moving over, one of the main new features that I love about Toyota's new platform is Remote Connect, which allows you to connect your phone to your vehicle and also basically have a built-in remote starter. And you can also control your windows, control your doors. You can set certain limits if you have a family member that's going to be driving the vehicle. So you can set speeding limits, etc., etc. You can also control your gauge. You can see how much gas you have left in your vehicle, and so on. Another beautiful addition is Android Auto capability, which finally Toyota has integrated that within their new 2020 platform, as well as Apple CarPlay built in. With the Camry XSE package, you've got this nice full panoramic roof, which looks really, really nice. You also have all your controls here in terms of a nice cover here if you don't want the sun to hit you, as well as tilt for the sunroof, and it slides all the way back, which is nice. You've got auto dimming mirrors as well as your garage controls here at the top. You can take a look here on our gauge clusters here. You can see that you've got the nice display here in the center as well. You've got all your information here that you can control. You can take a look at the audio, make sure your lane assist is on. Vehicle information, as well as all your pre-collision sensors, blind spot monitoring, parking assist. It's all there for you. You also have your settings and just information on fuel economy. Now let's take a deeper look into what this view feature would look like. As you can see, it shows you a 360 camera view of your entire vehicle, which is really, really handy. Toyota's done a really great job in terms of adding all these safety features with most of their lineup, especially new with the 2020 and the 2020 Camry XSE package. You've got all these nice goodies and features added onto your vehicle standard. Very, very cool. Taking a look at the back, let's have a seat. Solid. Very, very spacious. I'm actually 5'9", and I've got more than enough space here in the back end. And this seat was not moved as I was sitting out front. These are very, very comfortable seats. Got these nice cup holders. You also have your 60/40 split seats as well. And your premium JBL sound speakers at the back. Got LED lights here for your passengers, as well as LEDs at the front. Got nice air vents here in the back, but no heated seats in the back.